Hello everyone. In my last video, we have discussed about regular and irregular polygon. Today, we will try to find out difference between some more polygons. So I draw some polygons. As we know, these are two-dimensional closed figure made up of line segments. I am drawing some plane figures of 4, 5 and 6 vertices. Here, five sides polygon. I'm joining all five sides to make it closed figure. So five sides are there. Let us draw some more shapes, little different properties. Here some points are inward. This point is inward and then I join it to make a closed figure. Let us take some more sides, more vertices, inward direction point, then outward, and then I join it to make a closed figure. So let us talk about diagonals. Let us draw the diagonals, and we know that diagonal is a line segment which joins between two non-consecutive or non-adjacent vertices. Here four-sided polygon, so there are two diagonals. It is hexagon, so we have more number of diagonals as six sides. We have to see that we join all vertices which are non-adjacent to each other. I join here diagonal. This is opposite vertices. I'm joining my line segment. One more diagonal. And all diagonals lie interior of the polygon. These are called convex polygon. And in class 8, we will be dealing with convex polygons only. So I joined all the opposite vertices or non-adjacent which are non-consecutive also. So let us see in this polygon if I join the diagonal or opposite vertices, one lie partly outside and inside also. It is interior and exterior both. One is interior only and some are completely outside the figure. So there is the difference. This is the difference between this polygon, and these polygons are called concave polygons where at least one of the diagonal lie outside the figure. So here also you see that one diagonal is outside and one is intersecting the polygon. It is partly inside and outside of the polygon. So this is concave polygon. Now we talk about angles and see that is there any difference between angles also. So angles are 110.2 degree, here 121.1, 68 degree, here 170.9 and 69.8. So we see that all angles are less than 180 degree. 110.2, 121.1, 68, 69.8 and 170.9. So all angles are less than 180 degree in case of convex polygon. But in this polygon, if we talk about angles, we see that angles are 110.1 degree. I move it so that it will be easy for you. 44 degree, 45.1. If I move little, 39 degree. And one of the angle is 261.4 degree. That is reflex angle. We know that if it is more than 180 degree, it is called reflex angle. more than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. And if I move it little outward direction, you see that angles are decreasing. And if it is 180 degree approximate, we see that all diagonals lie interior of the polygon. And you see that 3 points are in same line. So I 180.1, it is, I move it little inward. I see that I want to show you that if I move it outward and inward, how the angle changes. So it is decreasing, and if I move it outward, and increasing if I move it inward. In this figure, it is see that 308.6 degree, and if I move it outward, it decreasing, it is 302.4 degree. So these are concave polygon where at least one of the angle is reflex angle. So this is the difference between concave and convex polygon. Con- Convex polygon, all diagonals lie inside the figure, but in concave at least one of the diagonal lie
Exterior of the polygon. And in convex polygon, all angles are less than 180 degree. But what do we see in concave polygon? At least one of the angle is reflex angle.